Hello, hello mga idol, mga lodi, mga lods. We're driving again today. I'll see you the other road where I go to my work. So explore natin yung place. You come with me, join me on my ride. Thank you. So here we go. Dito ako nag-jogging every day. Brisk walking and jogging. Ayan, napakahaba po yan. Dire-diretso lang po yan. And it's around 4 kilometers. Ayan. So I will show you around the place where I jog every day. Jog, walk, brisk walking. Not totally jogging lang. And this I do it every day whenever I am not going for a grocery or walang pinapabili ng mga anak ko or walang activities or walang birthday parties, walang mga ganap. So, nagja-jogging ako per day. Ito yon, every day. This is the place. Ang haba nito. It's just walking distance from my residence, so okay lang. Uy, parang sarado ang road. It looks like they closed the road. The road is closed. So, dito tayo dadaan sa right side natin. And dito din ako umiikot for my jogging. Ayan, maganda kasi dito kasi ang daming huni-huni ng ibon. Pag nagja-jogging ka, napakatahimik. Pwede ditong dumaan. Oh yeah. Yes, pwedeng dumaan dito. Walang tao sa kalsada, no? It means to say, maaga ako. This is one way. Okay. How we will go? Ayan, parang may oval dito. Dito din naglalakad. Kadamihan ng mga tao dito naglalakad. Pero this is not my route. Ayan, dito yung mga tao naglalakad. Parang oval. Next time, dyan tayo. Stoplight, ayun na yung gate ng Port of Gera. So on the stoplight, mag-stop na tayo kasi we're entering in a no camera zone, no photography zone, high security area. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye na po tayo. Ayan, nasa intersection po tayo. Thank you.